Thank you so much for taking out time and doing this with us. Let's start with a little bit of overview introduction about you and the name of the school and the program you have received the admit from.
I have done my of Technology in Computer Science
Hmm.
from Delhi Technical University, and I graduated in 2022. So, I have an approx of 2.5 years of work experience
Right.
in the tech only,
Hmm.
and I had given my GMAT in my college days only, like in my final year.
Yeah.
So I had planned very well, like to get some experience and be clear of GMAT. Then I had
Mhm.
approached MIMSA for the essays, LORs, and all.
Okay. All right. Great. So, how has been your overall experience working with MIMSA so far?
Yeah, my overall experience was really good because after doing my GMAT, I didn't have any knowledge of like how to write essays or like what the college essays are like about and
Yeah.
LORs and all. Yeah, like Siddharth was my consultant and he really focuses on each points of the essay. So
Mhm.
I had got multiple edits from him, like this section can be improved or we can construct this paragraph in a different way. So that helps a lot because if you get a second perspective, like suggests also like we can give this point. And
Hmm.
so I had all the details of my experience and hobbies and all.
Yeah.
So the which one suits for the each college better, and accordingly we had written the essays and SOPs.
Okay, amazing. So, I mean, because you have been through the process entirely, and if I put you on the spot and ask you this particular question, that if you have to evaluate everything and come down to the conclusion to just pick one particular service, so basically you have to choose one out of all the services that were given to you from the start to the end. Which one will that be? That is your favorite, or that is most fruitful for you, or stood out the most compared to the rest of the services? So which one would that aspect in particularly from in your opinion would that be and why?
I think the essays, edits, and all, I think I value the most because I
Hmm.
didn't have prior knowledge like about the how the college essays are written. So about getting a exposure like or insight about how it is done. So it helped me a lot.
Yeah, makes sense. Fair enough. So, like out of curiosity, I usually wish to know from people out there that what made you choose MIMSA? Because obviously, when you're starting off with your application process and when you are deciding upon the institution that is eventually going to be there to help you out into the process and the journey, you do your own thorough research and everything. So, what was that one thing that made you decide that okay, MIMSA is going to be the institution that is going to help you out in your study abroad journey?
Yeah, so when I had given my GMAT, my another friend has also given GMAT, and after
Yeah.
the college itself, he had taken the MIM essay platform for his
Mm-hmm.
course.
Oh,
So I knew about MIM essay, and I also did a bit of research. And like if my friend has done, and I got the like all the details, like what they help in and how their outcomes are. So I think he also got admitted in 2 to 3 colleges of the top 2 3 colleges. So I was very confident that yeah, MIMSA would be the perfect spot.
amazing. So, because you have, like I said, that you have been through the process, you have also received the admit now. Is there one thing that you have learned from your overall experience? I want to know and understand, particularly that, one specific tips or any suggestion that you have for the people out there who are like just starting off with their application journey. So, one advice that you would like to give to them who are thinking of starting off with their process, who are starting off with their study abroad dream, one thing specifically that they should definitely keep in mind before getting started with it.
Yeah, so getting admitted in foreign university is far more different at Indian university. Like
Hmm.
here, we only focus on the score, but there you have to develop an overall your profile, like be it extracurricular activities or social work or NGOs that you have worked, and also leadership quality, which in Indian university we don't focus much while in the admission process.
Yeah.
So I think the students who are preparing for foreign in their future must start focusing on these areas as well.
Right, makes sense. I mean, that's a fair point. So the last question that I have for you is this, if somebody is on the fence about choosing our services, a little skeptical whether they should go ahead with us or not. So what advice would you give them? What would you suggest them? Will you tell them to go ahead and choose us, try us?
Yeah, I will definitely tell them to choose MIMSA, and if they had any doubt, they can see the past records or the
Hmm.
standards which MIMSA maintains.
Yeah.
So it is a really good, and if they have a reference, they will get to know like, yeah, I'm in the safe place.
Great. Thank you, Aditya, for your time and doing this with us. I'm done with my set of questions. Firstly, I would like to to give you a lot of good wishes. I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors, for all your projects, your post-grad journey. Many good luck and good wishes for that. And also, at any point in time, if you feel like you need any kind of additional help or assistance regarding the process or anything particular, even today or in the future, anytime, feel free to reach out to us. We will be more than happy to coordinate and help and support. Thank you so much for your time and all the very best.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Bye.